Welcome to Foxtecc. Today I'll show you how to watch live football games right from your iPhone. Football season brings plenty of excitement, and there are several ways to catch the games, though the available options can sometimes change slightly each season. Generally, though, the main streaming services and network apps make it easy to follow your favorite teams from anywhere. Let's go over the steps to make sure you're all set up to watch live games on your iPhone. First, head to the App Store and download a sports streaming app like ESPN, the NFL app, or Yahoo Sports. Each of these apps offers different games and coverage, so you may want to try a few to see which one has the games you're most interested in. Once you've downloaded the app, sign in or create an account if needed, then check out the live game availability or schedules within the app to see what's streaming. For fans who have a cable subscription, some networks like NBC, CBS, and Fox also offer live streaming of football games. These networks have their own apps where you can log in with your cable provider details to access live sports. This is a great option if you already have a cable package and want to watch games while you're on the go. If you don't have a cable subscription, you still have options. Consider subscribing to services like YouTube TV, Hulu plus Live TV, or Sling TV, all of which offer live sports channels. These platforms carry networks that stream live football games and often include additional features like DVR. They're a good alternative to traditional cable for watching live sports. For some games, particularly local and prime time matchups, the NFL app and Yahoo Sports app offer free live streams. This can be especially handy if you're just looking to catch specific games without committing to a subscription. Open the app, navigate to the live game section, and select the game you want to watch to start streaming. Finally, to enjoy a smooth viewing experience, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Football games are best enjoyed without interruptions, so a reliable Wi-Fi connection or strong cellular data is essential to avoid buffering during the stream. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more useful tips on using your iPhone. See you later.